Hello and good morning, everyone. This is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing our October mystery kit. Super exciting. I'm in love with the colors for this month. I do want to let you know that spots are now open to subscribe to our mystery kit subscription if you've not done so yet. These kits are exclusive to only the subscription, so if you don't want to miss out on the different designs that Dawn creates, make sure to subscribe today. I put a link below in the description for our website that lists all the information that you would want to know about it. So without further ado, let's jump into the reveal. So we have 3 different types or variants for our mystery kit subscription. We have our standard, we have our decorative, and we have our journal kit. So I'm going to show you all 3, but first I'm going to start with the standard kit. For our standard mystery kit, we have a bonus item, and then we have the different sheets with stickers. So first I'm going to show you the bonus item that is included for this month. It is on washi sticker paper with gold foil, and as you can already kind of see the colors, we have a beautiful blush and dark maroon color on here for the watercolor swatches. We have some dividers that have some greenery, kind of like branches with the leaves on it. And we also have some other little bits in here. We have a couple of grid pieces. We have some border stickers. And then we have a turkey and a pie for Thanksgiving. And then over here is like a little pie slice. So this is the bonus, and this is what you get with whichever variant or version that you decide to subscribe to. And then here's the first page of the standard mystery kit. So as you can see, we have lovely like blush color and maroon. And this kit is kind of like revolving around Thanksgiving and being thankful. We have a bundle of florals here, some greenery, and we have like a KitchenAid mixer with some flowers, and then we have a little like cutting board with flour on it. A journal, and it says thankful at the top in foil. We have a pie with like one of those little like pie cutters that you use to pick it up, that's foiled. And we have like a cute little Thanksgiving outfit, and the double box scene here is of the kitchen, of course. So we have like a little red runner rug down here, and then the towels are pink. The coffee maker, the turkey that's foiled, because that's where a majority of the time is spent on Thanksgiving, is kind of like in the kitchen area. And then we have a cart over here that has some tea and such. So it's all really about being thankful and feeding yourself and being with others and having that gratitude. And the next page, we have the Monday through Sunday, and then look at the washi strips. It says thankful, grateful, blessed. I love that. And then we have some florals on the next strips that are red and white with the pink in the background, or like the mauve color. Next page, we have the Monday through Sunday box, a couple of other full boxes where we have some florals, and then we have like a bed over here. I love the background here. It's kind of like a marble watercolor background. The date dots, up here we have some other dots and then some border pieces, and weekend script and some other layering pieces down here. Then we have the flags and the 3-bow checklist and some more dots. We have the little movie sticker over here, overlay pieces. Then the functional box page is foiled. I love the greenery in those boxes down here, that's foiled. The habit trackers in the middle. And then we have the thinner washi strips the scalloped dividers, the bow dividers, and the half scallop circles. I love the gold foil on these bows. It's really eye-catching. Then we have our headers and our glitter headers for organizing your day for the boxes. Then we have our fashion girl boxes, and again we have that lovely background with kind of like the marble watercolor look with the colors. We have her wearing like a fit with a like off the shoulder sweater and some slacks. Over here it looks like she's holding like a pastry, and I love the striped sweater here, and then of course the scarf, the icons, and then we have the scripts, and the icons are colored to match with the kit. And then the last page is the deco page. So we have some fashion girl and icons. So if we look closer, we can check out the fits that they're wearing. I like the trench coat there. And then we have some of the florals in here, some bows. We have a pie, everything that will like help tie into the kit and really make your page pop. So this is the standard kit. This works well for kind of like the standard size of a planner, happy planner. Also if you have like a Hobonichi cousin for like the daily section. So now I'm going to show you the journal kit variant, because although it's pretty similar, there are some differences. For the journal kit version, we have that bonus sheet again. And then the first page, we have those boxes from earlier, except for they're not as wide or tall. So it fits perfectly in the Hobonichi Cousin weekly section of that planner, but also if you have a smaller planner. Then we have the Monday through Sunday again with the washi strips. And then the next page is a bit different because we have some like torn paper stickers that make it more journal-ishy. We have the glitter headers, some rectangular boxes down there, a few of the bows. Then the next page, we have a bit more of the foiled accent pieces. And then we have some arrows, some dividers. We have that same background here with the marble or date dots and weekend script, and it's just smaller to fit better in those smaller planners. And then we have the fashion girl boxes again with the icons, which are the same, except of course that the boxes are a bit smaller. And then next we have the deco page, and this deco page, the deco is actually bigger than what we saw in the standard kit to match more with the journal aspect. And so if you like bigger deco stickers, I recommend getting this version of the mystery kit. And then lastly, we have the regular deco page that we saw from earlier. So this is the journal kit add-on. And lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative, which is pretty different from what you've seen already. Okay, lastly, for the decorative add-on, we have the decorative add-on on the washi sticker paper. So again, we have that bonus sheet that I showed at the beginning. And then for the first sheet of the decorative, we have the box swatches and the gold foils on top of it too. A big difference not only is the type of like sticker paper it's on, but also like how the cut is for these stickers. It looks like torn. It's not a straight edge box. And so we have like the thankful and the journal over here, the florals. Next, we have the other box swatches. So this is a bigger swatch here showing that kitchen, a couple fashion girls, and a couple of like little, I love these little pieces of washi strips right here. And then we have like an overlay. Then we have the mystery kit borders here. We have the gold foil on here. The bottom's a straight edge and the top is hugging the artwork. So these strips are different from the washi that we saw from earlier with the design on it. So like down here we have, it looks like maybe a cappuccino possibly, and then a slice of pie. and there's like a foiled bow on top of it, and up here is like the florals, and the background is like a brick pink. Then we have the decorative page. The first page, we have the fashion girls on here. We have some cute like shoes, slippers, purse, some bows. This kit is making me so excited for Thanksgiving. And then the second decorative page, we have that KitchenAid mixer. Look at the cute little squirrel right there. That's adorable. I love the little lantern down here too. We have the roller for the dough for baking, some cinnamon sticks. And the next decorative page has kind of like the borders that you would maybe want to put to border your pages. Some more florals. We have like a stack of journals here. Then we have the scripts and dates. So we have 2 weeks of the Monday through Sundays. And we have a couple to do meal errands appointment. And then down here we have like 2 months worth of date dots. So you could like really spread this kit out if you wanted to with all that you have. And the last page is the terrible washi page. We have that beautiful marble background again. And then the overlay, we have kind of like the greenery border foil on there. So for the terrible washi, if you have not seen this before, what you do is you go from the top and peel it, and you tear the page, the sticker, however you want it to look with like your design thoughts. So it's very customizable. So if you're into having more like free form options with your stickers, if you like the washi sticker paper a lot, or if you kind of like the more like journalish free form type of feeling, I highly recommend getting the decorative kit. So those are the 3 different variants for our mystery kit. We have the decorative again, we have the journal kit, and then the standard. Spots are open today for the next mystery kit that's going to go out. If you're not subscribed, make sure to click below. Let us know what you think about this month's mystery kit. We love to hear your feedback. I'm going to be doing a spread with this, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done so yet, so that you can stay updated and not miss out on that. And also our Instagram page at DEK Designs, because we're really active there too. I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your day, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye.